92 degrees yesterday afternoon for you folks. We had a whopping 2/100ths of an inch of rain. July has started off okay so far, but we're still technically below normal, not only for July, but about 7 inches of rain below normal for the year. So we still need a lot more. Somebody said to me, boy, it feels like it's been raining every single day. And I'm like, well, it needs to rain a lot more. We need to get more when it does rain is what I'm trying to say. Low to mid 70s inland, upper 70s to near 80 back right along the coast. You've got these dew point temperatures measuring that surface moisture, low to mid 70s, so nice little steamy morning for you and some residual cloud cover as well. Right along and ahead of this old frontal boundary is where we're going to see a lot of rain in parts of the deep south today, including parts of I-10, which are under a marginal risk for excessive rain. But for us, we've got the dust coming back in. So the Saharan dust is going to start to kind of squelch the rain chances a little bit, bring them back down to about 20 to 30% over, say, the next 2 or 3 days. So meaning just not a ton of rain and storms out there. It won't be zero. It just won't be a ton. And we'll have a few today. Maybe we'll have a few tomorrow as well. But there are signs early next week that it may get wet. Now, we're watching this old frontal boundary just sag to the south, and then eventually perhaps a weak low trying to develop near that front. Now, this is next Tuesday, so you're talking about a week from today. There could be a lot of moisture, maybe a little spin kind of pooling up over here in the eastern Gulf, something that bears watching. Now, only 1 or 2 of the computer models are throwing this out there, but with that said, they're reliable computer models. So it's just something to watch for early next week. We may get much more rainfall, which we could definitely use. For rainfall accumulation for the next several days, though, it's really going to be hit or miss and not a ton. So clouds and sun with the heat, about 92 degrees for you today, but the heat index stays around 99 or 100. And I say but, and I say that in a positive way, folks, because that's good. Warm and steamy tonight with an overnight low of 80 degrees, lower on the rain chance again for tomorrow with a high temperature all the way up into the mid 90s for your Wednesday afternoon. Seas running 2 feet with a light chop on the coastal waters with a water temperature at 89 degrees. I got a high tide at 1:45 for you this afternoon. Okay, our next 7 days, the rain chances drop to 20 to 30% for the next few days, but then they go back up late weekend and early next week to 50%.